Well, this next song has a very warm place in my heart. I must tell you that God has blessed me enormously with a beautiful wife and a beautiful family, kids. And recently, 6 years ago recently, we had a brand new baby. She is the light of my life. Her name's Kelsey, and she's here tonight somewhere. She loves to eat vanilla ice cream with rainbow sprinkles on top. And Daddy loves to eat it with her. Anyway, this song reminds me of her because this song has a rainbow in it.